So this is going to be my base for this pattern. So right now I'm going to start. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I insert in the second loop right here with triple crochet. I proceed in this next loop like so. Next, so this serving as my border. So I proceed. I chain 2, 1, 2. I yarn over the hook and I count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the same loop again, I have this. So I chain 1, 2. Still in the same loop, then you see. So I proceed. I chain 2, 1, 2. I yarn over. I count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple crochet. Next, triple. You see. So I proceed. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still in the same loop. So 2 triple crochets on my right hand side, 1, 2, and 2 triple crochets on my left hand side, as you can see right here. So 1, 2. I count 1, 2, 3, 4. Next loop. Next. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop right here, triple crochet. Next loop. Next. One, 2. So I insert right here. One, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. One, two. Triple crochet. Sorry. One, two. Triple crochet. One, two. So like so, I proceed till I round it up. Now as you can see right here, I've completed the row. Can you see? So you could see that at this point is a repeated process. Can you see? But very, very easy, especially for beginners. So I'm going to proceed like so, repeatedly. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this tutorial. It's a very beautiful pattern, but very, very easy. Very beautiful, sorry, and very, very easy. Sorry. One, two. And I proceed again. One, two. On my left hand side. 1 2. You see. So like this, I proceed till I round it up. So far so good. Have come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see the pattern? Very beautiful and easy to make. Can you see? So I want to appreciate you all for always being there. Thank you very, very much for taking your time to watch this video. I appreciate you all. And if you like this video, kindly click on the liking button below, and I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. If this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this channel. Here is a channel where you can learn a lot. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below, and you click on the notification bell so that you can have access to my videos. Thank you very much. So till I come your way again, bye for now.